What if we build something here? Oh, build what? I am so bored today. I wish something exciting would happen. This tree is perfect. I can build a treehouse here. That tree looks very big. Maybe I can do something fun there. Noah, I have a big idea. What is it, Emma? We can build a secret treehouse. A treehouse? In our backyard? That's an Kate here.
That sounds difficult.
We can do it together. We need a small window here. And a strong ladder. This wood is heavy. I will help you. It keeps moving. Maybe we need a better way. It keeps moving. Maybe we need a better way. Dad, we want to build a treehouse.
That sounds like a big project. If we do this, we must be safe.
Yes, Dad. We promise.
Hold it steady, Noah.
Lily, no. Huh? This is really happening. It is staying in place now.
Good job, team.
It looks amazing. Huh?
Be careful, Noah.
Be careful, Noah. It feels a little loose.
We will fix it. Hold it tight, Noah.
You can do it. It feels strong now.
Good work, everyone.
Now we can build the walls. And maybe a small door. Lift it a little higher. Okay, I am holding it. This will be our window. It is the perfect size. I love this color. Do not spill the paint. Oh no, I spilled it.
It is okay. We can clean it.
It is almost clean. Thank you for helping me.
Let us finish this side.
It looks better every day. This will be our secret door.
Make sure it is straight.
We need a small roof. Yes, like in our drawing. Lift it slowly.
I am holding it tight.
It looks like a real house.
Yes, it is coming together.
This is our secret place. It feels special. We can sit here together. This is our special room. The view is beautiful. We built this together. Mom! Look at our treehouse!
You built this?
This ladder is strong!
Yes, Dad made it safe.
This is beautiful. We worked very hard. I love our treehouse.
It is perfect for our family.
It feels magical at night.
Yes, it feels different.
We will always take care of it. Yes, this is our place. This is the best morning. Our dream came true. Smile for the picture.
This is our best day.
This is our secret treehouse.
Now everyone will know.
I feel very happy.
Me too. I am very proud of you.
We did it together. I will never forget this day. Me neither. This will always be ours.
Yes, it will.